OnePlus 13s can be a good option for those looking for a compact flagship smartphone. It was recently launched in India and has many attractive features. Here are some of the main reasons why you want to buy OnePlus 13s. Number 1, compact design and premium feel. The OnePlus 13s is specially designed in a compact form factor which make it easy to use with one hand. It weighs 185 grams and measures 8.15 mm thick along with 2.5D curved glass that gives it a premium look and feel. Number 2, powerful performance. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is a flagship level chipset. It is also used in OnePlus 13. This means that you will get great performance in multitasking, gaming and running heavy apps. It has up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Number 3 is great display. The OnePlus 13s sports a 6.32-inch 1.5K LTPO Pro XDR display which comes with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. It will give you a great visual experience whether you are watching videos or playing games. It also has Aqua Touch 2.0 and Globe mode. Number 4 is advanced AI features and plus key. The phone comes with OnePlus AI features including tools like AI Detail Boost, AI Unblur, AI Reflection Eraser, AI Reframe, AI Translation, AI Voice Scribe, AI Call Assistant and Google Gemini. It also has a new plus key which replaces the alert slider and can be used to launch customizable functions like launching the camera or quickly activating AI features. Number 5 is good camera capabilities. The OnePlus 13s has a dual rear camera setup which includes a 50 megapixel Sony LYT700 primary sensor with OIS and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. On the front there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera which comes with autofocus. This is a fast in any OnePlus phone. Number 6 is great battery and fast charging. The phone has a large 5850 MHz battery that supports 80 watt super VWC fast charging. This will help you get a full day of battery life and will also charge quickly. Number 7 is better connectivity. It has an independent G1 Wi-Fi chipset that offers better and stable wireless connectivity. It also supports 5G connectivity. Number 8 is software updates. OnePlus promises 4 years of Android OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates for this phone which will keep it relevant for a long time. Now the price of OnePlus 13s. The OnePlus 13s price in India starts at around Rs 54,999 for the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant. In short, if you want a powerful, compact and AI enabled smartphone with a good camera and long battery life, the OnePlus 13s could be a great option for you. Would you like to know more about the special feature of the OnePlus 13s?